Hello everyone. Today we'll go over the instructions to add an additional key using this ProKeyBox kit. To begin, you must have one working key to add additional key. This kit is compatible with 2004 to 2009 Nissan 350Z. I will list compatibility guide at the end of this video. This kit comes with the aftermarket key, the programmer tool, and instruction manual. If you have your own unprogrammed key, you can also purchase the programmer tool separately. This tool will work on aftermarket or the original keys. Today, we'll program the aftermarket key with the kit. Once you use this programmer tool, it will lock to your car VIN. This means you can reuse it many times in your vehicle, but not in other vehicle. Cut the key blade first before you begin programming. So, to begin the process, you need to connect the tool to the OBD board. From here, select your vehicle make. Press Enter. Select the model. Press Enter. Select the year. Then press Enter. All keys will be erased and reprogrammed in the next steps. Have all keys with you when you start programming. Then press Enter. Close all the vehicle doors. Then press Enter. Don't press the brake pedal during the programming process. Then press Enter. Now insert your working key in the ignition. Then press Enter. Wait about 30 seconds. Turn the key to off position. Then press Enter to continue. Now turn the ignition back to on position with your working key to program it again. Then press Enter. Now remove the key from the ignition. Then press Enter. The tool will tell you to press A to add new key or to press Cancel to exit the programming mode. So we are adding new key. Press A or Enter. Insert the new key and turn the ignition to on position. Then press Enter. Now remove the key from the ignition. Then press Enter. If you have more keys to program, press A, or if you're done adding keys, press Cancel to exit. So we are done adding keys and we will press Cancel to exit the programming. This tone indicates your key programming was successful. Now unplug the tool and let's test the new key. It is working. And you're all done with key chip programming. If your vehicle has remote head key, you'll need to program the remote separately. We'll demonstrate how to program the remote portion in just a few seconds. To begin, close and lock all doors with the driver's side power lock switch. Insert key into ignition and remove it from the ignition key cylinder at least 6 times within 10 seconds. Your hazard lamps will flash if you have performed this step successfully. Then insert key into the ignition cylinder and turn to the on position. Within 5 seconds, push lock button on the keyless remote. Your hazard lamps should flash. To program additional remotes, press lock switch on driver door, then press lock button on the new remotes. Repeat this step for each remote you want to add. Once you're done adding remotes, remove the key from the ignition and open driver door to exit programming mode. Then test your remotes. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching.